Welcome to Yardie Belly's TV, and today we will be doing a quick dish. Yeah, very quick. As part of our general meatless dish, we're gonna run some curry potatoes, and again, all right, now I'm adding some turmeric to about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm also cumin. Sorry, that was cumin. I'm also adding about a teaspoon of turmeric. Yeah, I'm also adding about the same of ground coriander, and I have my flame on low. Okay, I'm adding some garam masala, around the same amount or a little bit less, half of a teaspoon. And over here I went ahead and peeled some what we call Irish potato in Jamaica, and some chayote squash or chocho squash in Jamaica, and one of the orange, well, a piece of the orange potato. And I'm just gonna take the knife and cut it up right quick. Cut it into bite-sized pieces while the oil and the stuff burn a little bit. Normally when you're doing curry potatoes, you pretty much don't want to boil the potato. You just want to use the sauteing method as much as possible, and it's almost like you want to braise it. Yeah? So, my squash. My oil has been toasting all of the spices, so now I can add my potato, my sweet potato, and my chayote squash, and we start the cooking process right now. Yeah, let me cut up this. God, this did drop. This never cut. So we're just gonna really and truly, just stew this down, right? And you begin by, if you notice, I don't add no water or anything like that. And as a matter of fact, I have not boiled my potatoes. It's the easiest way to keep them, the integrity of them. You just make them stew down, and so this is the process. You just start to spin it around and do something with it. Yeah, and make the thing set, make the thing nice, make the thing work. You understand? So alright, I just gonna go and spin around them thing and then move to the next level, which is to start adding more flavor enhancement ingredients. Yes. Now I'm adding some old bay, old bay adobo, just a little, and this will be my main salt content. And then I'm adding some Spice Island ground white pepper. Cutting up half of our onion. If I said something to you? Yes. No, I don't say nothing to you. My girl, we're not going by business. Yeah, see there? Cooking process is going on now. Let me focus. Yeah, see there? Cooking a guan. I'm going to make that look a bit, make it go on fermentate. Some garlic as well. Normally I cut the garlic from the cutting board, but it's how my thing set right now. Green seasoning. Garbanzo bean. Add some water. Coconut milk now. So here we have the finished dish, guys. My sweet potatoes with regular potatoes, or Jamaican say Irish potatoes, and some chayote squash or chocho, Jamaican say chocho, along with chickpeas and garbanzo beans. Yes, or garbanzo beans. All of this curried down for a nice little midweek meatless stew. Serve with some rice and some cucumbers. Remember, guys, turn your hand and make fashion. It's not every day I have to eat meat. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of those things in the box provided. Once again, it's Taste Buds. Yours truly, Rev Saint Hope, Yardie TV. Check it, don't wreck it. Remember me tell ya.